now, Bodywork is done. Had some patches to do there. I had one to do there. I didn't realize there was this much fucking Bondo in this box, but I can sand that out when time comes. So, yeah, Bodywork is did it. Other than replacing fenders. Once I get those replaced, I'll have eliminated all the rust on it. So, yay! But here's a closer look. Obviously, you got cab corners, rockers done. Like I said, it's not the prettiest, but I don't have the cream of the crop to work with here. So, but that's in there. I'll seam seal it once I get it painted and stuff. I got a lot of tools and shit in here. Not gonna put the door panels on until I paint it, because I'll have to take my tool mirrors off, obviously, when I'm painting. But that patch panel done. It's better than what it looks. The black magnifies everything. So, and then yeah, got that done. So yeah, and then once I get it painted, I'm gonna build some steps for this, because I don't want the steps to be maroon like the rest of the truck. But yeah, get the front fenders replaced, and then I'll be able to sand it. Hopefully doing that tomorrow. Replacing the fenders. Maybe later today. I gotta go close on my land, so yeah, she's looking blotchy and splotchy, but it's a lot better than what it was. Of course, those decals and shit are coming off. The crown molding will be coming off, or the door molding rather, because I do not like this shit at all. So that's definitely gonna get ripped off. But yeah, so far it's looking a lot better. So once I'll do another video once we get the fenders on and it's sanded and I'm ready to shoot. So that will be the next video. Peace.